Planning to make a purchase? OneMoreView.com is here to help you make the best choice. Our expert reviews will help you choose the right product.
In this review, we will be examining in details the best FDA-approved pulse oximeter that is available in the market today. Pulse oximeters are an unlikely home health essential. The device checks vital statistics like blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and blood pressure, and while these numbers may not mean much to the general public, they help medical professionals gain a better understanding of your overall health, especially during this pandemic. In fact, doctors started recommending patients purchase pulse oximeters to track coronavirus symptoms earlier this spring. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. OneMoreView present Top 10 Best FDA-Approved Pulse Oximeter 2021. Let's get started with the list of the best FDA-Approved Pulse Oximeter 2021. Number 1. Zacurate Pro Series 500DL Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Features: upgraded internal hardware and software components. Large LED display easily visible in day or night. Gets readings even if blood perfusion index is as low as 0.2%. Accurate and reliable. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Innovo Deluxe IP900AP Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Features: upgraded hardware and software. Plethysmograph and perfusion index. Multi-directional display. Alarm and auditory function. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. Ankovo Pulse Oximeter Fingertip Blood Oxygen. Features: quick accurate readings. Blood oxygen saturation monitor. Large OLED display. Compact and portable. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 4. Ankovo Oximetro Pulse Oximeter Fingertip. Features: smart design. Hypoallergenic. Bright LED display. Heart rate monitor. Finger pulse oximeter. Quickly measure. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. FaceLake FL400 Pulse Oximeter Fingertip. Features: sport/health enthusiasts. Accurate reading. Easy battery removal. Ergonomic design. Your blood oxygen levels are seconds away. Large LED display. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 6. Santamedical Fingertip Pulse Oximeter Blood Oxygen. Features: accurately determine your SpO2. 30+ hours of continuous monitoring on one set of batteries. Easy to read digital display. Bright LED display. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 7. Zacurate 500BL Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Features: USA-based technical phone support is available. SpO2 and pulse rate face the user. Suitable for all ages. Automatic shutoff. Accurate and reliable. Portable and easy to carry. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 8. Mibest OLED Finger Pulse Oximeter. Features: highly accurate. Easily measure oxygen saturation. Accurately measures your pulse rate as beats per minute. Suitable for all ages. Mibest Silver OLED Pulse Oximeter. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 9. Santamedical Generation 2 Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Features: fast reading with high Zacurate. Results in 4 directions. Fast and easy oximeter readings. Light, compact and long battery life. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 10. Zacurate Pro Series 500DL Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Features: quick overview of the pulse oximeter. SpO2 levels reach 100%. Loaded with accessories. Easy battery removal. Check product link and price on video description below.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.